I came up with this idea to organize my yarn based on astrology. I read this book. Hold on, let me get it. Boom. It's Astrology for Happiness and Success by Mecca Woods. And then You Were Born for This, Chani. And I am in love. I'm in love with both of them, and now I want to do everything based on astrology. So come with me while we organize our yarn based on astrology. She's still sleeping. Oh yeah. You're woken up, but your sister's still sleeping. So we're just gonna work around her. So if you watched the last video, you know that I've been in a bit of a mental funk, and I think it's totally because of like physical clutter, especially in the studio, which is also my workspace. And I am a firm believer, or I'm trying to really get into the fact that if I clean up my physical space, that helps to clean up my mental space and will help bring me more mental clarity, because it's a tangible thing that I can actually do. This is all brown, black, and white yarn. Brown, black, and white yarn. And then what I've done is I put all of the projects in progress. I hate the term whips for work in progress. Projects in progress, pips, if you will. In this basket's actually finish makes that I have to gift or donate. And then I actually cleared this out because I thought, wouldn't it be so smart to do 3 shelves, 3 seasons? Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Boom. Gemini, Cancer, Leo season. I think that will look super cute. Okay, so I'm looking for blue, violet, and yellow. Ooh, I love it. Blue, violet, yellow. It looks great. All right. So for Cancer season, it's blue, green, silver, and white. Oh, silver. Nice. Yeah, all right. I'm glad I didn't put it away. Oh, and white. What do you think? So this is robin's egg, and this says beach glass. This, I think, actually is more blue, so I'm going to put it back in the Gemini blue, and I'll keep this as the seafoam green for Cancer season. Woohoo! All right, we got Gemini and Cancer season are done. Now I'm going to just fill in Leo season. There we go, yeah. He always wants to be in on all the action. All right, so for Leo season, I've got the book. We've got our book here. And Leo season is gold, orange, red, and yellow. Wowing colors. Bold, vibrant colors are trademark of Leo's sense of style and brand of fashion. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so yeah. Gold, orange, red, and yellow for Leo season. Go through and pick out which colors and shades should stay. For example, this red is more of a Leo red, and I think, hi Gary. Yeah. And then this one is more of a crimson. Yeah, crimson. I'm sorry, I'm talking too loud. For Scorpio season. Whereas this gold, I think, is better for Leo. Leo season gold. Okay. We'll take a little break for lunch. Let's go, Gary. This is our Leo season. Got gold, orange, red, and yellow. I left the baby yellow up there. Hi, Gary. Oh, yeah. Ta-da! Oh, it looks great. I very much recommend it. I very much recommend. Oh, and I'm so excited to do this for like the next season too, for Virgo Libra and Scorpio season. Oh, and just go throughout the whole year. Love it. All right, let me know also if you try this, because I think this is perfect. Now, Gemini season can make the patterns and crochet the patterns like for the perfect astrological season. And then it also helps with decision fatigue, because now I don't have to worry about like what color should I make the pattern. I just choose based on the season and it's done. All right, and then the rest of them, I'm gonna open this up, put the rest of the yarn in the vacuum seal bag and see if we can vacuum seal it. I don't. I'm gonna try and use the air pump for our air mattress to see if that will work to vacuum seal it, because I don't want to use the vacuum that I use with the litter. So I'll let you know how it goes. We got everything put in the vacuum seal bags. Now here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna test it out with our air mattress pump.